Sowson here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Who doesn't like a 5-minute stir fry? I am working with broccoli, prawns and button mushrooms. I will be heating up the pan. The hotter the pan, the better. And I will not be using olive oil in this one because the olive oil will actually burn. I'm going for the vegetable oil this time. I have picked up this from our local supermarket. It's a stir fry sauce. So technically you don't need the garlic, the ginger, the salt, the soy, all separately done. It's all in one little magical bottle. Let's start working with it. Okay, follow me over to the stove. We're going to heat up this baby. We're going to add our vegetable oil and then the ingredients. Remember, the hotter the better, and keep your hand moving. Either you toss it or you stir it. Remember, it is a stir fry, not a casserole. Let's get it moving. Heating up the pan, adding the vegetable oil, a little bit more. Just wait for that to heat up. And remember, it's a stir fry. We've got to keep moving. Only needs a few minutes. I like to keep the broccoli a little bit crunchy. I don't like it too soft. Okay. Now it's the prawns. I just want it slightly pink before I add the rest of the vegetables. Prawns almost red. Now I'm putting in the onions and the mushrooms. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of this gorgeous stir fry sauce. Look at that beautiful colour. Okay, returning the broccoli. There it is. Broccoli, prawn and mushroom stir fry. All in 5 minutes. 5 minutes prep, 5 minutes to cook. Oh, it's beautiful. It actually smells and looks better than what you would get in your takeaways. And of course, just move this to the side. I've made some jasmine rice, 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. There you have it. Jasmine rice, fluffy jasmine rice, and of course, your stir fry. A little bit of chili to dress it up, red chilies, and of course, sesame seeds. And there you have it. We'll dress up our jasmine rice. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Our prawn, mushroom and broccoli stir fry with our fluffy jasmine rice. All in a few minutes. Oh, this is really good. Good stuff. Got some broccoli. Cooked perfectly. And it still has a little crunch. Keep your eyes posted for my next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye everyone.